Hello, my name is Bernd and welcome to another Kdenlive tutorial. In this video I want to show you some timeline navigation tips and tricks, something that not everyone is aware of, even though sometimes things are hiding in plain sight. So I am using the app image of the latest version of Kdenlive, which is 22.12.2 on a Pop! OS 22.04 Linux system. So if you, like me, have a lot of video tracks, and I configure that in the settings to have 7 video tracks and 2 audio tracks, Kdenlive starts with all of these tracks expanded. And of course you can click through all of the tracks and collapse them. But if you have more than 7, this is a very tedious task. And there's actually a much better version, a much better way of doing this. It actually says right here at the bottom to hold Shift to collapse or expand all the tracks of the same type, audio, video. So let's do that. So hold the Shift key, press or click the minimize button, and voila, all of the tracks, the video tracks in this case, are being collapsed. And we can do the same thing for the audio tracks. Shift and click again to expand them all, and there you are. Another neat thing that you may not know is that you can adjust the height of individual tracks. But what if you want to do this for all of the tracks? And again, holding Shift makes this apply to all of the tracks. So hold Shift, then move the track height to what you want and let go, and there you go. All of the tracks now have the same height. And if you want to scroll vertically here, of course you can use the normal scroll bar. But if you again hold Shift and you use the mouse wheel, you can then scroll vertically through the timeline. So let's bring that back to where it was before, and there you go.